Hello kabayan. Ito yung mga ano nila sa damit oh. Ang ganda ng damit nila, yung suot nila oh. Oh, 'di ba? Yan sila oh. Sa all right. Tapos tingnan mo yung ano, yung agtang nila oh. Ang ganda oh. What you put this one?
What? At the champagne?
Sticker?
No.
What? Lipstick?
Just a powder.
Powder. Ah, and then you put this one? The lipstick?
Yes, lipstick, no? Stick.
Sticker.
Yes, stick.
Sticker. Oh.
Yeah. After marriage,
Ah.
like this. Yeah,
Ah.
after marriage.
How many you have kids?
10 year.
India.
10 year, yeah?
Yeah, how many kids you have?
Huh?
Kids, baby. Batcha.
What?
Baby, you are married.
Yes, baby.
Yeah, you have?
One.
Only one. Very good. Nice. Boy or girl?
Boy.
Very good. Thank you. Mayroon silang flower. Oh, ang ganda. Sampagita. Sampagita ang flower niya. Beautiful. What's your name?
Vinya.
Vinya. Si Vinya. Aywa. Ah, thank you. Yung mga kasama niya, oh. Oh.